Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi. In this video, we are going to solve x power 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2 is 3, and we have to find the value of x square plus x power minus 2. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I'm taking this equation. So x power 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2 is equals to 3, and I'm going to squaring both sides. Now we can use a very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So x 1 by 2 whole square plus x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 times x 1 by 2 times x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 square is 9. Now, according to exponent rule, x power m power n is equals to x power m n. So, x power 1 by 2 times 2 is x plus x power minus 1 by 2 power 2 is x power minus 1 plus 2 times, and again I'm using the exponent rule, that is x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So x power 1 by 2 times x power minus 1 by 2, we can write it as x power 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. So x power is 0, and that is equals to 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 is equals to 9. Now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. The value of x plus x power minus 1 is 7. Now I am going to square again both sides. X plus x power minus 1 whole square is equals to 7 square. Again we are going to use this identity, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write it as x square plus x minus 1 whole square plus 2 times a and 2 times b is equals to 7 square, that is 49. So we can write it as x square plus x minus square plus 2 is equals to 49. Now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So x square plus x minus 2 is equals to 47. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.